5-minute meditation before sleep, letting go of the day. Welcome to this short bedtime meditation. This is your moment to pause, to breathe, and to gently prepare for sleep. Before we begin, make sure everything you need to do for the night is complete. Lights dimmed, phone silenced. Any last tasks done or intentionally left for tomorrow. If you're lying in bed already, you're in the perfect place. If you're seated in a chair or resting on a cushion, simply allow your body to settle in. Wherever you are, just let it be comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin to let the day fall away. Now, allow your spine to be long, but not stiff. Roll your shoulders gently back, just enough to open the chest. Then let them relax down and away from the ears. Place your hands in your lap or on your belly, palms facing down. Let this be a grounding gesture, an invitation to come home to your body. When you feel ready, let your eyes gently close. Begin to draw your attention inward. Feel your breath moving through you, softly, slowly, effortlessly. Breathe in and notice your belly rising. Breathe out and feel it falling. Let yourself arrive here fully. This is your time. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, but right here, breathing. With each inhale, feel your body gently expanding. And with every exhale, feel a wave of relaxation move through you. Let go of the weight in your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Let your body become heavier with each breath. Let it be held by the bed, the cushion, or the ground beneath you. If thoughts come up, as they do, that's okay. Don't resist them. Simply notice that you're thinking, and kindly return your focus to the breath. The breath is your anchor, always here, always steady. Now, take a moment to gently reflect on your day, but not to judge or fix, just to notice. Ask yourself softly, what did I do today that I feel grateful for? It could be something small, a conversation, a moment of kindness, or even just showing up and trying. Whatever it is, let it rise gently to the surface, and let gratitude fill your heart. You did something today that mattered, something worth appreciating. Hold that truth for a moment and breathe it in. Say quietly to yourself, either in your mind or aloud, this wave flows down your neck, into your shoulders, and with every breath, your shoulders release even more. Down your arms, elbows, wrists, all the way to your fingertips. Your hands are soft. Your fingers are still. Feel this wave of rest move into your chest, your ribs expanding gently with each breath, and then softening again on the exhale. Let your heart be quiet now.